This isn't for everyone. But here's how the latest HVAC tech is changing everything about how we live in 2025. And wait till you see the system that knows you're cold before you do. Last winter, I visited a brand new smart home that literally texted me when I left a window open. The heating system dropped itself into eco mode. And by the time I got back, it had already recalibrated the indoor temperature using AI. That's when I realized HVAC isn't just about air anymore. It's becoming intelligent. And 2025 is the year it officially goes from hidden utility to home superstar. So, what's actually happening behind the scenes in HVAC right now? Well, experts are calling it the biggest transformation since the invention of the heat pump. And it all comes down to 5 game-changing innovations. The first one, AI-driven comfort prediction. Systems are now learning your habits, when you wake up, when you leave for work, and even how much sunlight hits your living room. Instead of you setting the temperature, the system does it for you. Think of it as a personal climate butler, except it never complains about overtime. Show animation of AI adjusting airflow based on movement and humidity data. Second, geothermal 2.0. What used to cost a fortune is now modular. Smaller boreholes, more efficient heat exchange, and smarter integration with solar mean even suburban homeowners can tap the Earth's constant 55 degrees Fahrenheit for heating and cooling. The future of HVAC might not be in your attic, it's under your feet. Third, self-cleaning air systems. These are filters embedded with electrostatic layers and sensors that track indoor pollutants. When the system detects buildup, it cleans itself automatically. No more forgetting to swap that dusty filter that's been sitting there since 2021. It's like your lungs got an upgrade. Fourth, HVAC meets renewable energy. Heat pumps are now syncing directly with rooftop solar and home batteries. During peak sunlight hours, they overproduce heat or cooling and store it either in thermal reservoirs or smart phase change materials. It's sustainability that actually saves you money instead of just feeling good. And finally, smart zoning with predictive maintenance. Instead of one big system guessing what your home needs, every room gets microsensors. They talk to each other and detect issues before a failure happens. Imagine your system emailing you, "Hey, your upstairs blower motor will fail in 17 days, want to schedule service?" Yeah, that's real now. If you think this all sounds futuristic, remember, 10 years ago, we were still arguing over smart thermostats. The real story here isn't about technology, it's about comfort, control, and the quiet revolution happening behind your walls. HVAC systems used to be background noise. Now, they're becoming the heartbeat of the modern smart home. So, whether you're a homeowner, contractor, or just a tech lover, the next time you feel a perfect 72 degrees Fahrenheit breeze at home, just remember, there's an AI, a geothermal loop, and a few sensors working harder than you ever knew. If you found this breakdown useful, hit that like button. Because next week we are diving into the wildest HVAC inventions you've never heard of, including one that runs entirely on sound waves. Subscribe so you don't miss it.